Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So this time, first time namin gagawa ng cinnamon rolls. Kaya yun.
Hi everyone! So ito yung mga ingredients na kailangan natin. Pinainit na milk, 1 cup, butter na melted, a cup of sugar, then we have to halo-halo it, tsaka natin nilalagay yung yeast. Dapat pantay-pantay sila as much as possible. Then the flour, pwede naman natin i-search yung ingredients natin sa internet.
Ano na next? Next is next! Hoy, next! Then we have to mix the flour. Pero isang side lang dapat. I mean, isang straw. Then we have to cover it and leave it for 1 hour.
There we have it! So, kailangan lang natin mag-spread ng harina sa ating table para hindi dumikit yung ating bread. Yan. Then, we have to masa it. At lagyan ng medyo konti lang naman na flour.
Then, let's put it in a table. Spread lang natin siya at lagyan natin ng butter. Since madaming ang lalagyan, kailangan ng help ni Ate Kenna. Hindi kami guys expert ha. This is our first time na gumawa ng cinnamon rolls. Kaya please bear with us. Then we will put brown sugar on the top of it. Make sure na pantay-pantay yung pagkalagay natin ng brown sugar. Then last, the cinnamon powder. After natin ilagay yung brown sugar, cinnamon powder, at yung butter, we have to roll it na. Kasi gagawa na tayo, ikakat na natin siya in 2 pieces. There we have it! Ready na ang ating cinnamon rolls. Gawa naman tayo ng ita-toppings natin sa ating cinnamon rolls. We need cream cheese, milk, butter, and the vanilla. I-mix lang natin sila together. Then let's put the potrako na tinatawag nila. There we have it!
Hindi mo sure? Mayroon pinasa.
Voila! Ito na yung ating cinnamon rolls. Super yummy at ang sarap gawin kasama ng family. If you want to bake, just search the ingredients and the procedure sa internet. Thank you for watching. I love you guys.